Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 24th of March, 2023. We're going to talk about Block today and how Hindenburg Research, which is a major short seller, they do research, and once they come up with their research, then that's usually when the stock craters or plunges. And in this case, Block went down 20%, 15% once this news came out that Hindenburg Research is stating some negative respects of Block. So we're going to talk about the price action in the market and Block and see if price is going to continue to go lower, because usually when Hindenburg Research comes out with a report, after they, in this particular situation, it was like a 2-year investigation that they put into Block, they're usually going to be short for a while, meaning that the price of the stock is going to go down substantially lower. Now they probably were already positioned prior to them releasing this research. They was already short the market in Block. So when the market cratered 20% yesterday, once this information was released to the public, they've already hit their profit marks probably. So is there anything left for the regular outsider who did not participate in the drop yesterday? Let's talk about it, because the market is obviously looking at this. Look at all the articles that picked up on Hindenburg Research report about Block stock. Now you guys can actually see, here's the actual research right here, okay, from Hindenburg Research. So I will have this link in the description of the video if you guys want to read this duration. It's a long list of information as to why they're stating the fact that they're short Block. Okay, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I simply want to look at the chart because the market definitely lets us know if there's any validity to what they stated. So the market in Block being down on the trading day yesterday, though, of 14, almost 15%, lets us know that there may in fact be some validity to that report. Look at the volume as well. There was a lot of price activity going on to the market in Block once this report came through, and it wasn't too good. Wasn't too good. Now you guys can see, before we break down to see if the market in Block is going to continue to go lower, I did a price prediction going all the way back to July 28th, 2022. Looking for the market at that particular moment in time to go higher. It did. We had our ultimate TP price around $84.25. The market ran up to 92. So around the ballpark, 16% garnered right there. First thing we're going to do is extend the support area, okay? Because this is a very crucial area that we've identified in Block, right? So here we are again today. The market in Block is currently hitting the support area around $60. That's not a coincidence that the market in Block opened right here at $60. That's where the market began trading, and it went up, went down, and it closed above 60. So given what we've seen yesterday, the market is actually telling us that they still value $60 as support. The buyers do, not the sellers. The buyers value $60 as of right now. Okay, this is as of right now, because as this report continues to go through, as this situation continues to get played out, $60 may not hold that support too much longer. And then you guys can see that towards May, earnings is due to come out in Block as well. So I really wanted to look at this market in Block on a weekly chart, and you guys can see that the volume definitely is here into the market in Block. Now initially, what I suspect price is going to do is it's going to try to hold $60 as support. That's initially. Looking at this on the 2-weekly chart, you guys can see over the last couple of 2-weekly price bars, the inability of Block to see itself trade above $90 here on this 2-weekly price bar on January the 3rd, 2023, and price continue to show its weakness, lets me know that the overall market is not too bullish. Looking at this on the 3 weeks as well, we got 9 hours, and this 1 3-weekly price bar is literally taking out the last 4 3 weeks price bars. That's 12 weeks cumulative, and we're not seeing the market go higher from there. So I would say that the market here in Block, outside of it continuing to hold $60, is definitely showing us weakness. Okay, so our attention will now need to be focused here. My first target is going to expect Block to come down to this particular level here. Okay, let's look at this on the 5 weeks. Then my second target is going to be down here for block. Okay, let's look at this on the monthly chart. Yeah, so the only thing that we can get is the two things that I'm seeing in the market and block is this. Either price is going to continue to be reflected and go lower because of this report, or price is going to consolidate and trade sideways. Now that consolidation or trading range is going to be between $80 as resistance all the way back down, I would say down to 40. So $40 trading range for the market and block to trade sideways. Now, I would like to add that since price got rejected there at $80, that there's a greater probability that price is going to go lower on top of this report being released. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm going to continue to play some downward pressure in the market and block. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. And as of right now, I'm just going to do the two targets. This first one is going to be around $55. Okay, so that's around 11.15% market move lower and block there, $55. And then my second target is going to be around 50, which is around 19.45%, right there around $50 or $49.78, give or take. So let me go ahead and take these out. And we're here to say that as long as block trades below 76, we're going to play 76.50. We're going to look for the market and block to continue to go lower. Okay, that is going to be our probable chances as to where price has the easiest way to move. And that's it. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know, do you think the market and block is going to consolidate or go lower? Join the team, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to get an update as to where prices is going to go without the confusion, I'm here to show you that the market doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to go through this daunting research paper, this research that Hindenburg Research published in order to figure out where prices are going to go. The market tells us what everyone is thinking. So once that report came out, for instance, let me give you an example. Once that report came out, this high volume in block, I want you all to see all this volume that came through yesterday that was traded. Many people took advantage of this report being published, and overwhelmingly the majority of the market participants yesterday participated with selling the stock. Now obviously there was some buying that kicked in because those who shorted the market in block also profited when they bought it at a lower price. But this high volume tells me that yes, the dynamic, the situation has changed in this stock. We may even see the market in block come all the way down to 40, like I said, back down here to the lows of 2020. So this downward prediction that I'm forecasting may not be over. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.